Osisi akwụ dị n'ala Igbo, ya mere ofe akwụ jiri bụ nri ndị Igbo.
Ozugbo nri ndị Igbo ka ọ bụ. Biko kụpụrụnụ aka. Ozugbo osisi akwụ a na-afụ ya n'ala Igbo, ihe ofe akwụ ji wee bụrụ nri ndị Igbo. Anywhere you go, ofe akwụ bụ nri ndị Igbo. Ofe akwụ bụ nri ndị Igbo. Very good, amazing. Ọ dị mma. Chukwu zuru m oke. Kedu ihe ọzọ ị mụtara maka ofe akwụ na osikapa n'izu ụka? In the next 1 minute, we'll start our cooking. But achọrọ m ịma ndị na-ege ntị, ndị mụtara ihe ọbụla n'ihe anyị na-eme. Chukwu zuru m oke, nụrụ ihe m kwuru. M na-agwa m ofu ihe ịma maka ofe akwụ na osikapa. Ọ bụrụ maka osikapa, ọ bụrụ maka ofe akwụ. Ihe ingredients eji esi ya, ihe efe nne eji esi ya, nwere ihe ịma? Kedu ihe ị mụtara? Chukwu zuru m oke. This is not good. Chimdi ụtọ, gwa m one fun fact about ofe akwụ na osikapa ịma. Mute your mic, everyone. If you are not speaking, mute your mic. At this point, only Chimdi should be on. I'm asking Chimdi a question so that we can all hear her. Chimdi, what fun fact do you remember about ofe akwụ na osikapa n'izu ụka anyị na-amụ?
Ọ dị ụtọ.
Chimdi sị na ofe akwụ dị ụtọ. Of course, ofe akwụ dị ụtọ. Ọ dị mma. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to learn how to make a very important soup that is very, 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 very key in being an Igbo person. In terms of celebration, go for weddings, local organizations. Most times when you have rice or local white rice, you have ofe akwu. So when you learn how to make ofe akwu, you have given yourself an advantage, because after now, each one of us would be able to make ofe akwu on their own. Even if you can't make it on your own, at least you have an idea and you will see how lovely it tastes. Very, very wonderful. So, ihe niile anyị ga-amụta ata, unu ga-afụ ka isi eme ya. Follow the steps, learn the steps, and everybody will do their own by next week. Onye ọbụla ga-eme nke ya n'ụlọ be ha. You follow your mom to the grocery shop. You buy the things that we are going to use. The ingredients will be shared on the platform after now. But I think we've shared the ingredients already. So you're going to learn the steps. We've shared the ingredients. Everything was shared throughout this week. Who remembers the ingredients? Did we remember that did we share the ingredients this week? Who remembers? I more ingredients AGC. So I'll be task of the week. If that now you won't be able to understand what we are doing. So now we are going to start our ofe akwu with assembling of all the ingredients. The first step is to get yourself ready. You can see my head is covered. If you have a chef apron, you wear it. get your hands washed, and assemble all your ingredients. That's the first step. Okay? The chef will be ready, then the ingredients will be ready before this cooking starts. So, kaije na kitchen, kaifu kaisi ofe. Who is ready? Kedonya the ready. Who is ready? Are you excited?
I need to go
Are you
Eh.
excited? All right, let's go to the kitchen.
Mommy, Daddy, I need to go to the kitchen. I need to go to the kitchen.
Wait. Do we all go to the kitchen?
To show my
Do we?
teacher,
Okay. Okay.
to show my teacher how I'm making not
Whose
soup.
microphone isn't muted?
The need is to be touched. Now,
So, how many of us can see what how many of us can see what we have here? Can you see what we have here? Okay, so if you know what the ingredient is, you let me know. Unmute your mic. At this point, everybody can unmute. Everybody unmute your mic. Ntwaka na each of the ingredients. Ihe nni. Ingredients, but ihe nni or ihe eji esi nni.
Daddy, can I put this in the kitchen? I need to put this in. Yes.
Is your coach that is in the kitchen? You have to watch your coach. Coach is in the kitchen to cook Ofe Akwu na osikapa. You have to watch. You're not going to the kitchen, okay?
Okay.
Is from next week you go to the kitchen, you and your mom, and cook your own. So learn how to cook it now, okay?
So learn how to do it. Let me do it.
Okay. Let me start. Maybe I should call names.
If they are using a we have
Kedo Ihebeha. Mandy.
Yes.
Kedo Ihebunia. Kedo Ihenibiha.
What?
Wait.
What is that?
I'm not seeing
Isha pụtara gịnị na bekee?
Crayfish.
Crayfish.
Amazing. Ọ dị mma. Kedu ihe bụ nke a?
Ose.
Ose. Good. Chinemere, ngwa onye ọbụla gbazie nkịtị ka njụ another person. Belchi, kedu ihe bụ ihe a?
I'm not seeing your screen. I only see Chinemere. Wait.
You're not seeing the screen?
No, it's like other people are sharing their screens or something because I'm not seeing yours.
All right. Let me correct
Okay.
it.
I pinned you.
Don't pin people.
Okay, can you see this now?
Yes.
Okay, can you hear me here?
Okbei.
Can you help me, Buna Beke?
Fermented locust beans.
Amazing. Okay, can you help Bunka? So these are the leaves. You know, we in diaspora here. In diaspora here, because we don't have these leaves fresh like in the village or back home. We make them and we have them dried and preserve them. So this is nchwang. I've shown you the picture of what it looks like when it's fresh, okay? Nkabogene nchwang.
Scent leaf.
Amazing, scent leaf. Good. Odema. Kedon kebunka.
Okporoko. Okporoko.
Oporoko. Good.
Fish.
Oporoko. Kedu ihe okporoko pụtara na bekee?
Stockfish.
Yes.
Unu na-agba mbọ kọọlụ n'onwe unu aka. Very good.
Yeah.
Kedu nke bụ nke a?
Yabasị.
Yabasị. Unu ji ya.
Onion.
Kedu nke bụ nke a?
Anụ.
Anụ ọkụkọ.
Prof, ama m na ịma maka anụ ọkụkọ. Very good. Anụ ọkụkọ. Mana nke a bụ anụ tọki actually. Anụ tọki. But tọki na ọkụkọ na-adị eyi onwe ha. Ọ dị mma. Kedu maka nke a?
I'm not.
Azụ.
Can someone wait? What's going on here?
You guys are not seeing my screen.
Okay, I see it now.
Azụ.
Azu. Okay. I don't have brown fish. I have this fish. So I'm going to use this. Oh, both of them are all good. Okay. Kedu nke bụ nke a?
No.
Very good. Kedu ihe nnu bụ na bekee?
Salt.
Okay. Now, can you guys see this?
Akwu.
Pomfret.
Can
Akwu.
you hear me here?
Akwu.
Apple. Okay, so here, because we don't have the fresh fruits, right? We can buy them here as already processed broth, right? And we're able to use it at the same way with the fresh one. So usually the process is you get the fresh one, cook them, pound it, use hot water to sieve out the broth, and you now use the broth as the Ofe Akwu, right? So this is already a processed one. So we're only just going to bring out the broth and start the cooking, okay?
Okay.
So for some of us who are not in Nigeria, you can go to any grocery shop, especially the African shop, and ask them for the palm fruit extract. This is what it looks like, okay? And you can have that. And finally, what do we have here?
Osikapa.
Osikapa. Good. So now that we've assembled our ingredients and everything is all set, the next thing is to do what? To start the cooking. Usually we cook with usually we start the cooking with the meat. So the meats are all washed.
Okay.
I've also marinated my dry fish and washed the stock fish and the anu. Anya asago anu, sao poroko, marinate agbo, right? And so the proteins are the first thing that go into the pot, and the cooking now starts. The mangwa, kaibido the cooking.
I'll be writing the steps as we go.
Yeah, don't they what are they having so far?
I can't hear you really.
Kedu ndị ghọtagolu ihe anyị mee kịta? Kedu ndị ghọtagolu ihe anyị mee?
Mua.
Ọ dị mma. So ndị ghọtagolu ihe anyị mee, kedu ihe m kwuru anyị ga-eme next now?
Boil the rice.
Excuse me.
Boil the
Osikapa.
osikapa.
Kedu ihe anyị ga-eme kịta?
Boil the osikapa.
Mba, anyị sị na anyị ga-esi anụ. Anyị ga-esi anụ bido sibe nni. Anyị ga-ebu ụzọ sibe nni kịta. I get sibe ano. Ofe akwu ka actually bido sibe. So along the line, I get wete of sibezi osikapa. Mana ihe anyị ga-ebu ụzọ sibe kịta abụ anụ. So anyị ebidogo isi anụ kịta. Enwere onye nwere ajụjụ? Kedu onye nwere ajụjụ? Anyị
Questions?
enwere ajụjụ? Any questions so far?
Yeah,
Mba.
yes. So you marinate the meat? How do you like marinate it? Do you
Okay. So marinate pụtara iwere anụ, ịsacha anụ, ịwụnye anụ n'ime nni. Ịwụnye ihe eji esi ya, like ịwụnye onion, yabasị, ihe ga-eme ka dị anụ tọọ ụtọ. Ịwụnye anụ, ịwụnye Maggi cube, ịwụnye nnu, wụnye yabasị, ose. So usually I'll blend onion, pepper, and I'll put onion, pepper, salt, Maggi, and use it to turn the meat, the fresh meat like that. Turn it very well. Mix it properly. If you have the opportunity, you can you can do that and leave it overnight. Please, can you mute your mic if you're not here? Any questions? Okay, Chikwasiri, you're raising your hand. Let me hear you.
Yeah. So which kind of meat are we marinating? Is it the azu or the
Good question. So I use ofe. I use you can actually use any protein you like, right? So some people use, typically in the Igbo land, we use what you call shaki or the intestines, right? It's so beautiful when you use shaki, pomo, or what people call tanda, pomo, shaki, beef, goat meat. People can literally use any form of meat, right? So even with what I use at home here is turkey. We don't usually do a lot of beef because of the way they preserve it. Here, I go to a farm to get this turkey get the turkey meat. So we don't typically use beef at home here. But feel free to use beef, any protein of your sorts. People use goat meat, shaki, that's the cow intestines, different things, different intestines of the cow. It actually makes it so sweet, right? So feel free to use any of those. But the dry fish and the okporoko, it gives it a unique flavor and makes it local. Okay, Otago. So that is why we are actually using those. Most times in any Igbo man soup, you will see stockfish and dry fish. That one is standard. Whether it's Ofe Akwu, whether it's Ofe Oha, whether it's Ofe Onugbu, whether it's Ofe anything. Okay, Otago. So those are add-ons to the proteins. They are typically protein, actually. All right. So does that answer your question, Chekwesiri?
Yes.
Okay. So feel free to use any meat. If you have access to goat meat, very sweet. If you have access to chicken, if you have access to cow intestines, shaki, momo, they are also beautiful. All right. The more protein actually you have, the sweeter the food is. But don't forget to add dry fish and okporoko. That's what makes it now different from every other food you are making out there, like jollof rice or whatever. Ọkwa anyị na-aghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu? Okay. All right. I want you to take a look at my pot right now to see what we are doing. Any more questions before I switch to my pot? Okay, Chinaza, ngwa jụọ na. Ị nwere ajụjụ, ngwa jụọ ajụjụ.
What dry fish
Is it like catfish? Dry catfish? Is that good?
Exactly. Yes, that's what it looks like.
Okay.
I snapped the pictures of those things and I shared it during the weekly task. Did you see that?
No, I only saw one.
Okay, dry fish is like catfish that are very dried and you know. Any other question?
Mba.
Okay. Well, let me switch over to my pot and so that you see what I'm doing. Okay, no. Are you seeing my pot?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So this is my meat. You can see that's all cooking up. And this part of the stockfish, it takes a longer time to get it soft. So you always start on time with it. So at this point, I can now once the once my meat broth is ready and my meat is ready, I started cooking this earlier, so it's kind of almost ready. So make sure your food is ready. I just leave that extra so that we don't take a lot of time. Okay? So I used to go before and you be the listener. So my meat is almost done. You get
We
it to the
have
point of
done
almost done.
graduate Osikapa. For next week, I will be trying to do Osikapa, so I want me and you and
So this is on record. Emecha onye ọbụla, you can go through the video. You are going to replicate your own and submit in the class. Odema. So now that I've brought my meat to a boil, I've actually cooked this and we now have the meat broth and the meat is almost done. So when you get it to the point of almost done, you introduce the akwu broth. Okay? So nke anụnwa bụ the akwu broth. And I'm going to add it to the meat broth now. Okay? Is everyone seeing what I'm doing?
Yes.
Ah, the man. So I'm going to add a little water to this to be able to bring out everything. Ị ga-adị na-etinye mmiri nwa obele. Because the broth is really very thick. I've used it before, so I know it's very thick. So what I usually do, I'll put some water, but you have to be careful so that you don't make it too watery. Okay? So I'm going to add some more water to be able to bring out the remaining part of it. All right, so include this, and I'm going to stir. So you're going to allow the broth to cook very well. It needs to cook and be done before you can now add other ingredients. At this point, while I'm waiting for it to cook, I will now start the osikapa. I will start boiling the rice. Okay. Nwere ajụjụ? Okay. So I've put the water for the rice to start boiling. So I get what you say blender. Where pour ingredients in those ingredients in the car obey ose crayfish akwụkwọ crayfish already. Then tinyekwa obele onions n'ime ya wee nwee ike wee tinyekwa the bouillon cubes and itinyechasịa ha ncha niile. This will now be the ingredients a ga-etinye na ya bụ ofe after it has boiled. So I'm going to start with blending them now. Nwere ajụjụ?
Mba.
Ọ dị mma. Good.
So what do we blend?
So can share what they've learned so far.
For the meat
Put it together. Kedu
and
onye ga-agwa anyị ihe anyị mụgo so far? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe anyị mụgo so far?
You cook the protein first.
Na-asụ ya n'Igbo, Mandy. Ngwa, make an attempt. Ngwa. Nke mbụ. Aya.
Nke mbụ isi anụ.
Very good. Nke mbụ bụ isi anụ. Anụ na gịnị? Anụ na ihe ndị ọzọ anyị na-esi.
Anụ na azụ ọkpọ.
Very good. Anụ na azụ ọkpọ. Very good. Ekwe ihe ọzọ.
What do we blend?
Okporoko, ilezo okporoko.
Okay.
Letekwa okporoko.
we blend the okporoko.
Mandy.
Yeah.
Kedu ihe ndị ọzọ anyị na-esi? Anụ, azụ ọkpọ na gịnị ya na okporoko abi? Mandy nọsịkwa ebe a.
Yeah. Tinye akwụ.
Okay, anyị tinye akwụ n'ime ya. Good. How many of us esinugo nri a be ha? Kedu ndị mama ha sinugo nri a be ha? Kedu ndị linugolo ofe akwụ before?
Mba.
Enwego ndị lili ofe akwụ before na be ha? Ma ọ bụ ebe unu gara party? Kedu ndị ligolo ofe akwụ before?
More.
Kedu onye ọ?
Yes.
We have.
Kedu ndị ligolo Achaluchi?
Sorry.
We have.
Who are the we? I can't see you people.
Chelachi and Zikara.
Amazing. Kedu ebe unu lili
We
ya?
have to
Kedu ebe unu lili ya?
No lie.
Asị m kedu ebe unu lili ofe akwụ?
No lie.
Okay, no lie.
What are all the things we're blending?
What are you blending?
Very good. So anyị akpọgo okpe ya na ose. So m ga-etinyekwa obere onions. Onions na-ewepụta nri ka onion yabasị na-eme ka nri ka ihe ọbụla itinye n'ime ya maa mma. Ọ na-enye ya another flavor na-atọ ụtọ. So I usually would do this. But because na okpe na-ada adị hard, na-blend ya only with pepper ka o wee nwee grip. Okay? So adigo m kịta yabasị. Tinye ya n'ime ya.
Oh,
Oh, what are all the things you blended? I didn't see.
I think it was the stockfish, onions, and pepper.
No, it was the fermented
I don't know.
locust. It was
yeah.
it was also yabasi na okbei. Oh yeah, I think so. This is practical.
But didn't she? I thought that she did something with the okporoko.
The oporoko is in the pot.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Oh,
Who is having questions?
oh, Chukwesiri and Belly were asking what you were blending.
Okay, ana m blend the okpei na onions na ose. M ga-eji wee sie ya bụ nri. I blend the goma already, crayfish, because all ha nchabi ha ekwesị blend.
The crayfish is grinded.
Huh?
I said, is the crayfish grinded?
Yes, I've already ground the crayfish, so there's no point grinding it again. Otherwise, those are the things that you grind, okay?
Can you write it down by any chance?
Oh yeah, that protein's boiling.
Shinemaram, I think that you're pinned because
I ain't
is
pinned. I ain't
okay.
pinned
Well,
'cause it's
is
close
anyone
numbers.
else seeing what she's doing?
Yeah, I'm seeing what
I
she's
am.
doing. She's stirring the what's it called? The proteins.
I'm not seeing what
She's
she's
stirring
doing.
the stew.
Can't see
Pin
what
her.
she's doing.
Well, I
Pin her
can't
screen.
screen. So I'm trying to add my fish right now because, my fish was not a dried fish. So I'm putting it later so that it doesn't break. So I'm adding my fish. This is not the typical fish you use, but this is what I have, okay? So feel free to use what you have, especially dry fish. Dry fish is better.
My mom and my dad, what's it called? They got dry fish from Nigeria.
Yes, my own from Nigeria is finished. I'm
Oh.
expecting a new one, but I can also use this. I have this at home, so
Oh.
I'm using it.
All my stuff from Nigeria has arrived already.
Lucky you.
We have an African store nearby where we get our food.
Yes, that's another option to explore. The African shop around here would require me to drive a lot of driving to do. And it was unnecessarily expensive since I was already getting mine, so I didn't bother.
So, so assemble
Any questions?
ingredients.
Yes.
Go ahead, please.
Did you put like what you blended in the pot already?
Did I do what?
Did you put like the stuff
Was
that you
she?
blended in the pot already?
What stuff?
The things you blended, like the onions,
Peppers
the
and
pepper, and
Oh,
those
yeah,
stuff.
the ingredients yet. No, I've not added it.
okay.
I want to add it now, just right after putting the fish. Maybe a few minutes after putting the fish, I will add them. I just want the fish to take shape with the heat. The fish would naturally, get firmed up with the heat. Okay, so my water
So,
yeah, go ahead, sorry.
so sorry, I think that I messed up my steps a bit. So, what was the first thing you put in the pot after assembling ingredients? Because I think
That was the
I
proteins, I think,
the first thing that she put in the pot.
was proteins.
Okay.
Chaluchi, kedu first thing ntinye?
You put the proteins,
Okay,
like the chicken and then the fish. I think after the chicken, you put fish.
okay. Etinye m nke mbụ bụ anụ. Etinye m anụ. Esi m anụ ya na okporoko. So ihe mbụ ị ga-ebu ụzọ mee bụ isi anụ ya na okporoko ya na azụ ọkpọọ. Anụ, okporoko, azụ ọkpọọ. But ka m gwara ụnụ, enwero m azụ ọkpọọ. So ihe nsi bụ anụ na okporoko. Ụnụ aghọta ihe m na-ekwu?
Ee.
Okay. Ọ bụrụ na ị ghọtara ihe m na-ekwu, onye aka gị enu. Maka oyibo karịzịrị ebe a. Chimamanda, ị ghọtara ihe m na-ekwu?
I do, but I have a question.
Okay. Ka m kwucha wee zụba mommy.
Did you
Ịghọta?
add the okporoko the same time you added the meat?
Exactly. I did that.
What
Okporoko is
about the
usually
broth?
hard. Huh?
What about the broth? Then that's what you add.
The chicken broth, like the
So
meat
the
broth.
chicken or the protein, remember it doesn't have to be chicken. Typically you will use cow intestines and goat's meat or beef. But I have turkey meat. That's what I'm using. So you get the protein. You want the protein. Anụ ọbụla ị nwere. Itinye okporoko. Itinye azụ ọkpọọ. These three things, itinye ingredients like onions, maggi, ose, na nnu. Wee were ya wee marinate the anụ wee sie ya. Sie ya, o produce its own broth. Now, you sear ya to almost done, not to be completely done, almost done. Then isicheze ya to almost done. Itinye gini. Itinye the
Akwu.
itinye the mmili akwu. Very good. Itinye the mmili akwu. Somebody is going to
what does
Okay.
that
say
mean?
this thing I'm saying. I'm going to ask you people, and you are going to repeat what I just said. So you better pay attention. Did you understand? Let me repeat myself. First step after assembling all your ingredients, iweta anu, weta azụ ọkpọ, weta okporoko, tinye ingredients, tinye ihe nni n'ime dịka yabasị, ose, magi na nnu. Mee ya ọgbaa n'ime ọfụma, isie ya. I nwere ike isie for ihe dịka minute iri abụọ, or just before it is completely done. Just before it's done. Don't get it to the point of completely done, because you will still be cooking and adding other things. So when you get this to boil, don't add water. You don't add water, remember. You only allow it to cook on its own, and it will produce its own broth. Akwe watago. Isicheze ya, iwe wunye mmili akwụ. Iwunye mmili akwụ. Mmili akwụ ị ga-awunyezi n'ime ka ị ga-ahapụ ya na anụ ahụ ọ na-asụ.
Also, I have a question. So my parents, they usually collect the chicken broth from like the chicken, either like when they finish roasting it, and then they pack it into the fridge. So could you use that broth as well if it doesn't produce its own broth?
Oh
Something.
yeah, as long as you have a broth to cook your food, that's what is key here, because it's the broth that makes the food tasty.
Okay.
It's the protein broth that makes this food tasty. So at this point, you guys, I want to turn my video quickly. Can you see my soup?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you seeing how it's dancing?
Yes,
How it's
mommy.
selling?
Yeah.
I wish you were here. You can
So
perceive the aroma is so sweet. So the next thing now is to add the ingredients I blended. Who remembered all the ingredients in blend? Kedu ndị lotele ihe nkwọlụ? Akwọ mụ ihe ịtọ ka mmalụ ndị na-ege ntị. Mụ ke ndị m ga-akpọ Kamsi.
Emma.
Kedu ihe ịtọ nkwọ m chọrọ itinye kịta n'ofe a? Kedu ihe ịtọ nkwọ? Akwọ m ihe ịtọ.
Said the things you blended.
Yes. Akwọ, yeah. Ọ ihe m kwọrọ, ihe ịtọ m kwọrọ.
Okay, me. Wait.
Akwọ m ihe ịtọ ebe a. Ị na-afụ ya?
Yabasi. Ose. Okay. Okay. Me.
Okay.
Ofe.
Ezigbo nwa, yabasị, okpei na ose. Ya ka m chọrọ itinye kịta n'ime ofe akwụ anyị na-esi. M ga-etinye ha ịtọ ya na crayfish. Ọkwa ịghọta ihe m na-ekwu? Ngwa. Mana nekwa rice, esikwa m rice n'akụkụ. Enye etinyego rice. Our rice is we're going to wash it now for this last time, and then we'll complete the cooking. So these are things you can be doing simultaneously, okay? So ka anyị tinyezie ihe anyị kwọ n'ime ofe akwụ a kịta. So kedu nke bụ nke a?
Isha.
Isha. So ana m etinye isha kịta.
Ethan, stay well.
Did she just add the blend? Because I can't see her.
Did you see what I took there?
Okay, there now I see
Yeah,
her.
she added the blend.
Have you taken your own?
Una free hand name. Una free hand name. Very good. Jadi happy ha. Can you see this?
Maggie.
Yes.
Is that Maggie?
Yes. This is the bouillon cubes, Maggi cube, no cube. Okay, so you put them. These are part of things you add to it.
How many?
Okay. This one I actually put 4. Depends on the size of your food. Okay.
Or my brain trembling.
Was that you
Happy
did
ha.
the other thing you
No.
just put?
Huh?
No.
Very
What was
good. So I'm going to add, but you have to be careful here.
Coach Nani?
Yes, darling.
What was
Salt.
what was the other thing you put?
Oh.
Okay, so I put the first thing I put here was a sha. That's
No.
crayfish.
Did that?
After a sha, I put the blended
Typing
ingredients.
something and removing it.
Ofe, ose, yana, yabase. Did you get that?
No, I don't mean that. I mean the thing that was colored orange.
Oh, okay. The last thing I put. Okay, that was Maggi cubes.
Okay.
So it's like
Yeah.
bouillon cube.
It's called bouillon cube here. It's actually not cubes. Okay. Chicken not cube. That's what I put. Feel free to put any one you have. It is really smelly.
What is that? What?
Any questions so far?
Mba.
Mba.
Yes.
How does this appeal to you? You like it? Does it look nice?
Yeah.
Yes.
It looks nice, but I can't smell anything.
Oh God, I wish you can smell it. It's so sweet here. My house is smelling so sweet.
Too bad. I'm in
So
the UK.
hopefully Mercy knows how to turn my class into kitchen. Last year she did excellently. So I'm sure she's speaking it and she will run with it. Mercy na
Hey?
Mona, I don't want to hear that after cooking you didn't eat. Adema. Where question? Any question? Kamsi? Kamsi? No closing of nose is allowed while cooking. No, this is not the one that will close our nose and be cooking. Right?
Hey, ma.
Okay.
I can
Chinaza,
smell it.
are you enjoying this?
I smell it.
My mom has
Okay.
cooked it before.
I smell it.
Your mom is doing what?
My mom has cooked it before.
My
Oh,
mom, my
Yes,
amazing.
mom
And I know
has
we
you
made it
love
have
it.
many times too.
And I
we
know
have
you love cooking.
leftovers right now.
Oh, you have leftovers. Amazing. That's awesome. So I know you love cooking. You told me that's your favorite thing to do. So I'm sure you will turn this kitchen into turn them into your own cooking. Very good. And where are you? Any questions, Bello?
Um, no.
No questions?
Just have to keep
Mba.
out of it out.
Dioto,
It tastes hot.
questions? Where is your sister? Where is Summer?
Yeah.
She's
She's in the toilet.
Okay, Odima, I want to know the person that can tell me what else is left. We've come to the end of this cooking. We have put everything, and there is just one thing left to complete this cooking. And I don't want anybody to unmute. Don't say anything. We're going to do something fun. You're going to tell me one thing that is remaining to complete this cooking. Unmute yourself. Don't talk. Don't answer. Mute yourself, everyone. I'm going to give a fair playing ground to everyone. What is the remaining ingredients? Look at your list of ingredients. What is that one ingredient that is left to bring this cooking to the ultimate finish? And I want the first person who knows it to go to the chat room and write exactly what is left. The first person who knows it, go to the chat room and tell me what is left. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Who is telling me what is left? Who is telling me what is left? Can you help for Rono? Can you help for Rono? Can you help for Rono? What is remaining? I can see so many things in the chat room. Hey, who is our class leader? Tell us. Who is our class leader? Be writing them, be saying what people said, and let's get to the first person who said the right thing. Uh-huh. Who is our class leader? Oh yeah. Is our class leader not here? Bello?
Yeah, Belucci.
I forgot to unmute. Sorry.
Okay.
So I just say what everyone said in order. Okay, then. Kamsi said osikapa. Chinameram said scent leaf. Chimamanda said nchwaru. Chinaza said scent leaf. Chikwesiri said mixing the rice. I said nchwaru. Cheluchi said scent leaf. Chimduto said the thing is to eat. Chukasiri said osikapa. Excellent said rice. As Chima said salt. Chimamanda said scent leaf. Excellent said osikapa. Chimduto asked what is rice? Rice is osikapa. Osinachi said nchwang. Eze Chima said salt, and then Chimduto said osikapa.
Odema. Very good. Those that think rice is the correct thing. I said, remember my question, Obo. Now we have come to the almost to the end of this soup. There's one thing left to add to the soup to make it complete amongst the ingredients. And I said one thing is left. If you think it's osikapa, let me see your hands raised up. All the osikapa team members, let me see your hand raised up. I'm not talking about the Ofe Akwu. What is remaining to add to the Ofe Akwu? All the osikapa people, raise your hand. If you think that osikapa is the remaining thing to be added into the soup, let me see your hand. Okay. All the osikapa people, write 1 in the chat box. Write 1 in the chat box. Now, the next group of people said, what's the next group of people? They said,
Wow.
Nchuanwu and scent leaf. Either one is correct. All the Nchuanwu plus or scent leaf people, can I see your hand? If you think that's what is remaining, let me see your hand. Okay, all the Nchuanwu people, go to the chat room and write 2. 2. 2. Now, those who have no clue, whether it's Magio, whether it's in Nchuanwu, they don't even understand. In fact, their own is to eat the food. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. They don't know what else is left. Raise your hand. You have to belong to a group, either 1 or 2 or this last group, 3. If you belong to the last group, you are not sure. Coach Noni, honestly, I'm not sure. I don't even know which one is correct, which one is remaining. Write in the chat box, 3. Team 3. Team 3. Team 3. Team 3. Team 3. Oh, Team 3. Okay, right. Has everybody taken their teams? You can only belong in one team, only one team. All right. If you are so sure of your team that you are going to represent your team in this fierce competition, if you are in team 1 and you are very sure that this is the right answer to the question and you want to represent your team, let me see your hand up. Team 1, raise your hand up. Don't be confusing us. So take only one team and you are very sure. In fact, Coach Noni, in fact, I'm very sure that the next thing that will enter this soup is rice. Raise your hand. You can represent your team, team 1. Raise your hand. Okay, who can represent? Who can represent? Who can represent? Who wants to represent? Bellucci, pick a representative for team 1.
Okay.
I can't hear you.
So those who raise their hands,
team 1.
Okay. Okay, I choose.
Those that can represent, only one person can represent team 1.
I choose Chimdilto.
Okay, Chimdilto is presenting team 1. Osikapa team. Good. Okay, Kedundi get represent team 2. The Saint Leave Nchuanwu team. Hey! Who can represent Saint Leave Nchuanwu team? They are so short. In fact, there is nothing else except Nchuanwu that is entering this soup. They are so short, and they want to represent team 2 in this fierce competition. Ngwa, kamfu akage. Kamfu akage. Okay. Bellucci, you are going to be excluded in this competition because you are the team leader. So choose for those in group 2, the person that will represent you people.
I choose Chinemiran.
Okay. Chinemiran representing group 2. Very good. Okay, kedu onye ga-represent group 3? Ndị group 3 ngwa biko. Group
Okay.
3. Ndị group 3 bụ
Is
ndị
anyone
na-amarọ.
here on group 3?
Who are those in group 3? Masi,
If
which
you're in
group are
group
you?
3,
Masi
please raise
Amona,
your
which
hand
group
if
are you?
you.
Something like you go for you.
2.
Okay. Is there anyone on group 3? Because I don't know who's on group 3.
So nobody is in group 3
I don't see
again.
in chat a group 3.
Okay, there was nobody that chose 3 from the group chat. Eh?
I don't think so because I don't see 3.
Okay,
Unless
okay.
I
So
go
we have
check
group 1 and 2.
again.
Odema, the
Yeah, there's
two team leaders, group Kedafaha, Kedafandi represent Chimdioto and Chinemerem. Put them on the spotlight. Ngwa gwa anyị ihe iji wee na-eche no osikapa bụ the last thing ga-aba n'ime ofe a. Gwa anyị ihe mere iji wee sị na osikapa ga-aba n'ime ofe a. Ngwa gwa anyị.
Maka anyị che osikapa maka isi mụ tinye osikapa n'ime pot ka ọ bụ n'ime blender.
Okay. Achọrọ m interpret ihe anyị kwuru ka nne-code godi ya. Chinemere m gwa anyị ihe o ji wee bụrụ nchụanwụ bụ ihe fọlụnụ n'ime ofe akwa anyị na-esi taa. Ngwa.
Maka Ofe Akwu bụ ofe na ofe have nchụanwụ like century. Yeah, thank you, Bello. N'ime ofe. Yeah.
Wow. Kedu ndị ghọta ihe ndị tim ha kwu? Onye ghọtara ihe ndị tim ha kwu? Ya kwugharịa ya ka anyị ghọta. Kedu ihe ndị team 1? Kedu ndị represent team 1? Kedu ihe team 1 na-ekwu? Kọwala anyị ihe onye team 1 na-ekwu. Ndị team 1 ịghọtara ihe team 1 na-ekwu? Ihe Chimdioto na-ekwu. Chimdioto eche ịkọwa onwe gị. Ngwa kọwa onwe gị, Chimdioto.
Said that we all thought it was rice because you hadn't said I put it in the blender or put it in the pot.
Okay. Because I've not put it in the blender, I'll put it in the pot. Okay, so that's why I think the last ingredient that should enter inside the soup is rice. Odema. Kedu nwanne ya nwoke? Chinemerem, eche ịkọwa onwe gị ọfụma.
So what I said, us team 2 chose like what we chose because Ofe Akwu is a type of soup and soup must always have scent liver like at the end.
Like it must have a taste, kind of like.
Well, like yeah, like to give it some flavor.
Or like a herb, like something.
Okay.
And I thought we ate them. Like, do we put the rice in the soup, or?
Exactly, that's the question.
Like,
so
don't you pour it over the rice?
Ndị team rice, ajụjụ coach nọ na-eju bụ kedu ihe ọzọ fọlụnụ anyị ga-etinye n'ime ofe akwụ? Ihe anyị na-esi taa bụ ofe akwụ ya na rice. So anyị elugo n'isi njedebe ofe akwụ, ọ fọzụlụ ofu ihe anyị ga-etinye n'ime ya bụ ofe akwụ. And anyị na-anya na list, ifu that na ihe follow no beginning scent leaf. Nchụanwụ. So nchụanwụ ka ọ fọzi. I wee tinye n'ime ofe. Ịma na ofe anyị adịgo ready. Ụna na-afịa. So biko kụpụrụnụ ndị team 2 aka. Ọfanwa bụ ihe na-achị. Kpọrụnụ ndị team 2 aka. Achọrọ m ịdị na-afụ ebe unu na-akụ aka. Ndị team 2 bụ ndị ghọtala ihe na-eme n'ebe a. Team 2 bụ ihe nwelu mmeli. Nyanwa bụ ife ikpeazụ fọlụnụ. Unu n'anya na my ingredients. Nyanwa bụ ihe fọzila ebe a. So this is the last thing to put here.
After salt?
After, I think, is it like after all the protein and all the stuff has cooked, then you pour it in?
Exactly. After everything, you now pour it in. So this is my scent leaf going in.
Yay! It
Look at it.
It looks so yummy.
Look how good it
looks. Yummy, yeah. So these
I
are
wish
the
I could.
dried ones.
I wish I could teleport.
Me too. I wish I could too.
You could just take the airport.
Don't worry. Next time we'll do it. I think we're planning to do it. We're doing a summer camp. So meaning I get something very soon that is coming up. Okay. So because I know this scent leaf is not as fresh, I went ahead and still got. You can also use what you call ogo.
How do you spell that?
Is that spinach or some spinach or something?
So I'm putting spinach because
we have spinach. Yeah,
that's close to what I have here. Ogo. Back home we use nchụanwụ and some augment it with ogo or pumpkin leaves. Actually, that's what it's called in English. So nke anụnwa bụ ogo. Mana ihe na-use ebe a kịta bụ spinach. That's what we have here. It gives you the same taste and flavor.
I see the juice of the spinach.
Oh yeah, it's green.
It's green.
Yeah. But the soup is way yummier.
Yeah, so this is how the soup turns out to be.
It looks so good.
Spinach barely has any taste.
Delicacy. A true delicacy.
Yeah. I'm getting hungry.
I just ate, so that's not possible for me.
Well, yeah. Well, I haven't had lunch yet.
I just had breakfast.
Breakfast? Oh yeah, you live in the USA.
Ọdịmma, so kedu ndị ma ka esi esizi ofe akwụ kịta?
Do you have to wait for it to cook because the scent leaf is because the scent leaf and spinach is raw?
Yeah, it doesn't take a bit. It takes less than a minute to get the leaf. You don't need to overboil the leaves. The leaves has a lot of vitamin C, so we don't overcook it. That's why it's always the last thing to put in the soup.
Okay.
So the spinach is raw. Or taste for whatever it is. Make sure it's tasty. Okay. And at this point, our soup is ready. Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes, I see it.
Yes, but how did it turn out super fast?
It looks so good.
Yeah. It looks so good now.
Can you perceive it? And then our rice is almost done.
Oh, okay.
So
have you already washed it?
Yeah, we washed it.
Oh.
I got some assistance to get it washed while we were still talking about the soup.
Okay.
Is the spinach raw?
Yeah.
Okay. Just making sure.
Yeah, and then it takes less than a minute for it to cook because it has vitamins in it.
Vitamins?
Yeah, like vitamin C.
Yeah. Okay.
They're gonna be
Umuoma Igbo. I'm sure all of us have learned one or two things, and I'm going to give everybody an opportunity to unmute their mic and tell me what they've learned today and what they love most about Ofe Akwu.
At least pluck out the mouth first.
Huh?
Three.
No, I don't know what you're doing.
Okay, I'll start with Mercy. What did you learn today about Ofe Akwu?
All the different ingredients that are used in it.
Okay. What are two most important ingredients you think Ofe Akwu must have? What are the two most important ingredients you think Ofe Akwu must have? Mercy.
Akwu.
Good. Because without Akwu, there's really no Ofe Akwu, yeah? What else?
Right.
For the Ofe Akwu, actually. Kedo two most important ingredients in your own assessment. Which one are they?
Before the Akwu,
She has called Akwu. Then what else?
can I please say it?
Hold on. I'm talking to Master. Let her speak.
Okay.
Ano.
Very good. Anu, why not? Anu dị mkpa because anu bụ ihe na-enye anyị the broth anyị ji esi the ofe akwụ. Very good. How be it? Kedu ihe ndị ọzọ? Gwa anyị another ingredients. Kamsi. Kedu another ingredients eji esi ofe akwụ?
No. Salt.
Good. Salt. Kedu ihe a na-akpụ ya n'Igbo? Kedu ihe bụ salt n'Igbo?
Unu.
Nnu. Good. Chinaza, kedu ihe ọzọ? Kedu ihe dị mkpa eji esi osikapa?
Mayday.
Osikapa.
Uh-huh.
And like what's important?
Kedu ihe eji esi osikapa? Kedu ihe eji esi osikapa?
The palm fruit broth.
No. What is osikapa, Chinaza? Gịnị bụ osikapa? I'm sure you got lost. Okay.
Water to cook the rice.
What is osikapa? I just ask a simple question.
Rice.
Good. That's it. So, ihe dị mkpa eji esi osikapa bụ osikapa. Osikapa, that's it. Okay. Kedu ihe ọzọ eji esi ofe akwụ? Eze Chima. Kedu ihe ọzọ eji esi ofe akwụ? Eze Chima, I can't see you, but kedu onye ọzọ nọ na osi na Chimbusoma. Kedu ihe ọzọ eji esi ofe akwụ?
Nchao scent leaf.
Amazing. Nchao scent leaf. Very, very important. That's one of the unique things about ofe akwụ. Kedu ihe ọzọ? Kedu ihe ọzọ? Okay, mmasị si na ọ nwere ajụjụ. Mmasị ngwa jụọ m kedu ajụjụ gị o?
Is it only osikapa we eat with Ofe Akwu? Is it only osikapa we use to eat Ofe Akwu?
Amazing. That's a very good question. Typically, Ofe Akwu is eaten with white rice. Howbeit, you can eat it with different things. You can just decide to take it like that as soup, just like you lick your soup. Typically, you will use fufu to eat swallow. But you can also choose to use another thing. At times, like when I was pregnant, I used to like eating white rice with egusi soup at times. That kind of a setting. So you can choose to take any starch with it. Some people use what they call starch. Now that's typically the Delta people, South people. So you can use rice, you can use swallow to eat it as well, or you can just take it like that. But the combination, most popular combination, is white rice and the Ofe Akwu.
That sounds
Has
good.
that answered your question?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to end our class right now since we don't have any questions. I'm sure
Wait,
everyone
ma'am.
has. Yeah, go ahead, Chinaza.
So next week, are we going to video ourselves making the soup
Very
or
good question. So, how we do it now that I've taught you the process, you've learned the ingredients. First, I want you to follow mom or dad to the grocery shop. I don't want your mom or dad to just go and buy it. I want you to go to the grocery shop, make your list, and tell mom or dad, this is my list for my soup. You're going to go to the market and source these things, except for those who already have it at home. But it will be a very lovely experience because it's part of our training. Anyị jee afịa, anyị eje gote ụmụ ihe ndị a gasị. Anyị gote, anyị nata, anyị asa ha, set ha up. Etu anyị si set ha up, put them in the different things, get them ready, then start videoing yourself. Show me the video of the different things that you are doing, that you are going to use. Show me obe, ose, nke a bụ isha, nke a bụ yabasi. Assemble all of them, then you start the food. It shouldn't be more than 1.5
I have
videos. You're not going to show us all through the
question.
process. At least show us the ingredients parts, show us some parts where you were putting some things. Just 1.5 video, maximum of 2 minutes video. And you can share that with us. Everybody should be able to do that. I'm going to give us 1 week to get that done.
I have
Okay?
a question.
Please go ahead.
Do we do it like during the weekend? Because I cannot do it during the
No,
week
most
because
people will not be
my
able to
mom.
do it. Exactly. Most people will not be able to do it during the week. That's why I'm giving you play 1 week extension. So by Saturday and Sunday, find time next Saturday, next Sunday to do it. Okay?
On Sundays,
And
we
of course,
usually
if you
cook
have all
together.
the
So
ingredients, you can also use tomorrow to do it, or even today. But by Saturday, Sunday, I expect that everyone should have done it. Or should I give you guys 2 weeks?
two.
2
Because
weeks?
next week my mom might have plans because of my sister's hair and stuff. Like I have to do mine tomorrow.
Okay,
but
should we give
yeah,
everybody 2 weeks?
2 weeks.
Okay, so we're going to give everyone 2 weeks. You can use this weekend or next weekend, buy the stuff. I want you to experience buying ihe ndị Igbo. Go to the African shop if you're not in Nigeria. If you're in Nigeria, explore the markets, buy them. Love cooking it. It's very sweet. My house is smelling so nice. All right, and I'll show you the last video where we have finished cooking it and it's on the plate right now. And you can just enjoy it. You can see it didn't take us so much time. Is it easy? Yeah, it's
I
very
thought it would be
easy.
much harder, but
It's
you just like
not
add
hard at all.
ingredients and stuff.
No, not at all.
I
Once you
thought it would have
assemble the
been
ingredients,
difficult,
no, at
but it's
all.
easy.
Very easy.
Yeah,
Adema.
very easy.
Adema. So we're going to excuse us. Tell Daddy and Mommy we want to see, Coach Noni wants to see them so that we can share our progress and know the next steps. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So what
So
do we
what
tell
is the
Coach Noni? What do we say to Coach Noni?
Dalo.
Dalo.
what's the parents class gonna happen?
I think I should be able to show you our video right now. Let me show you our food. So this is our food. Can you see that?
Yes.
No. Wait.
Yes.
I can't see it.
Just pin
Oh,
her
now
so you
I
can
see
see
it.
it.
Now
Can
I
you see
see
that?
it. Wait, it looks very nice.
I can't see it.
I can smell it.
You can smell it.
I wish I could. I wish I could.
All I can see is smoke.
Just to everyone. Just
If you want to eat, pass your plate.
Kemesia.
If you want to eat, pass your plate. I can dish it out for you, and we set it by proxy.
Here's my plate. Just
Okay. Thank you.
All
Send it by
right,
plane.
thank God.
Thanks.
thank you,
Thank
Dad.
you.
What?
I call
Okay.
mommy and daddy. We just have 15 minutes to have some updates with them.
Okay.
Some of us, we are not doing our own onye kwu uche ya.
Mommy,
Huh?
after this class, is it gonna be like a parent evening, like a parents meeting, just to talk about our progress?
Ọ dị mma.
Is
After
Ngwa
this
ka
there
class,
is? Wait,
after
there
this
is?
class, there'll be a parent evening. There'll be like a parents meeting.
Is it today?
For
Is
just
it
to share our
today?
Our
progress.
parents join us. Call daddy and mommy. Let's join and share some of our wins with
Mommy, it's time to
them.
join.
Wait, when is the
Time to
meeting? When is
join.
the meeting?
Now is the meeting for parents. Now.
Right, right this second.
Like right now.
The
Change
time to
position. Tell mommy to take your position and tell daddy to take your position. All right.
My
Let's
mom
do
is out of
this.
the house right now.
Mommy or dad can do
Oh.
this.
Okay. So like right this second, I switch with them.
Right this second. Yep.
Okay, I'll ask my dad if he can do it.
Adema.
Daddy. Right this second, she said that I should switch with you to talk about my progress or something with the parents, but mommy's out right now.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, our dear parents. Well, we are blessed to have you all. And I say Kaikenono Fuma for giving us the privilege to, bring Igbo back to our roots, bring Igbo to our family, bring Igbo to our loved ones, to our children. Ka Igbo ghara ifunarị anyị n'aka. I'm so grateful to God for this opportunity that, to partner with us to bring this to a reality. Asị m ka Chukwu gọzie unu niile, mbọ unu na-agba maka ọ dịrị easy. Ama m na a lot of us nwere a lot of engagements, and the children are really pretty involved in so many things, but ịkpọlụ ịmụgosi ha Igbo mkpa, and they have given your time for it, and for that we are really grateful and we are really thankful. Because as in gwakwa unu ka anyị si wee na-aga, this is our 10th week, for this cohort, and it's been a very wonderful experience so far, with the children coming in and some of them clueless about Igbo or about anything at all. But surprisingly, you can see how much improvement they've experienced so far. For the Nimeha, they speak. They don't just write. They don't just read. They look forward to the meeting, and I look forward to seeing them every time. And it's been a beautiful experience, and it's been a beautiful time with them. So I encourage you, can you continue? Can you asụsụ Igbo ghara ịnwụnarị anyị n'aka, especially anyị nwa nọ obodo oyibo. Ịbịakwa na be anyị, ịbịakwa n'obodo ebe anyị nọ, ndị Spanish ya, ịfụ ka nne na nna na ndị Spanish na-asụ be ha. Ịfụ ndị Chinese, the same thing. Ịfụ ndị obodo dị iche iche. Ma ndị Africa, anyị na ndị Rwanda na ebe anọ, even ha enwego their own time for mass na ụka anyị na-eje, ndị Rwanda. O wee bụrụ ihe dị mkpa na anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo, na anyị ga-adị na-encourage ụmụ anyị kafa na-asụ Igbo, kafa dị used to these things. Ha na-elikwa mac and cheese, ha na-eli ofe akwụ, ha na-eli ofe onugbo, fa na-asụ nri. And whatever that makes us Igbo is not because of, it's I bụ ndị na-agba mbọ. And these virtues, if we don't intentionally transfer these things to these children, they will get lost. So how dị mkpa biko ka anyị jisie ike, no matter how small. Nnada try ịdị na solo ha, Nnada try send the voice notes daily. At least once, twice. If you can do 5/5, very good. Encourage them. Let them listen to it, because the more they listen, the more they get tuned. And some of them, I don't even know how to express, the transformation and the joy I see in their faces when they are speaking the Igbo. You see that it's just the opportunity that we need to give them the opportunity to be able to, blossom. Because when I encourage you, ihe dịkwa ka ibie anyị na-arụ ọnụkwa bụkwa na ihe a na-akpọ onye kwuo uche ya. These are just, when I just sit down and I'll just be like reflecting, it comes in the place of prayer, like things that we can be doing to intentionally help our children to actually speak. A lot of them now, especially Abia Nabai, ikwu ihe ọbụla ha ga-ekwu, mana ha ga-anụ ihe ikwu, mana ụfọdụ n'ime ha, you find out that they end up doing what? Anasaghị ya n'oyibo. Or some of us, anyị na di anyị na-akpa, ma anyị na nwunye anyị na-akpa, anyị na-asụ Igbo, enwere ike ịtọnụ otu nwatakịrị ịsụbali oyibo. So these things bụ ihe anyị ga-akpachara anya wee gwa onwe anyị that we need to correct it, especially in the Igbo. UN have declared that Igbo is one of the endangered languages, and by 2030 there is a chance that we may not have it. And in Kebezo Kubudatna, these things are things that if we don't actually sit up to correct it, okay, and don't mind if I like it, and I like it as and I like if we okay, I seek it or follow me on go. And some of us have testified to even not being able to cook, but now that practicals so biko kai jisike kai ale damba. No matter how busy I scared the lawyer. Na be mo otu anyị sikwa wee bido 7 nkora adazima ano oyibo. Ihe osokwa gị na so 7 nkora atie my alarm. So is an intentional practice here and there to help them to to understand that these things are things that we must do. So Onye Kwuche is just a platform for not just Isu Igbo to connect with the child. If we go the child, upgrading on us say all those things are actually rewiring their brain to learn what it is about the language. So it's a platform for us to explore. I bring out an idea, kedo ihe namasigi, for instance, or kedo ihe iririta. It gives them an opportunity to begin to talk about food. Eriri mo agwa, eriri mo ofe, eriri mo gari, and these things add up. Okay, so biko kaiji seek every Wednesday we throw it out, and we also help even for some of our parents. I'm a mufodo maybe not different as Igbo, but they're still here, and so I try to make it as bilingual as possible. So practice with them, speak with them, enjoy, engage them. All the very important. Our newscasting club is one of the platforms again that encourage them to speak, because the most important thing here is speaking. Speaking speaking. So these are the platforms that help to speak. We encourage them to speak. So once in 2 weeks, so twice a month, we bring them together, teach them, anchor them, and help them to speak. It's been a very wonderful platform, and it's been awesome. So Biko, it's free for every member of this group. So just join and get us to speak, get the children to speak. So this is a platform to help them to speak. Igbo amaka, and anyị nwa bụ ndị Igbo, anyị ma mbọ anyị na-agba. Ụmụ anyị kwesịrị ịmata na ihe anyị ji wee bụrụ ndị Igbo, anyị na-agba mbọ, anyị na-edozi obodo. Ebe ọbụla ị gara obodo na-adịrọ, obodo ọbụla mechiri, onye Igbo pụta ebe afọ mepee ya. And asị na ije obodo, ọ bụrụ na ifuru onye Igbo na gị gbagba ọsọ. These virtues can only become real when we actually intentionally pass it on to them. So these are the things we want to do. In the coming week, actually make spelling bee activity. Actually make spelling bee, and that spelling bee is something that I would love our children to be part of. Igbo spelling bee. as little as
Ikwesịrị.
A-K-A, aka, A-K-A, aka, to help us to our alphabets grow in depth with our alphabet. So that spelling bee, I'm going to share more details on it after, on the platform. Is a program that I would love them to do, and that would be featured in ending of April, beginning of May. But I'm going to help them to build them up to that. It's going to be a competition. It's not going to be a casual thing. Achom kafa take care serious. And in doing that, my aim is to see them strengthen in their alphabets, Igbo alphabets, E, A, E, all those diagrams. We're going to explore them through that Igbo spelling bee. And they love competition. I see a lot of them. They're very smart children. So that competition gives them an edge. So it's going to be a 6 to 8 weeks training. And the final competition, there's going to be a build-up until the grand finale. I'm going to roll out the program on the platform for more details. So oral examination will be coming. We're going to do an oral examination for them. It's also part of the speaking. Our aim here is speaking. Is Igbo. So we're going to do our oral evaluation. Throughout this cohort, we have 2 oral evaluations for them. We're going to have the oral evaluation is on the calendar, and that will be in less than 2 weeks or so. So these are the 2 most important things, or I've said a lot of things, but these are the 2 most important things that will happen in the future. Already, the other 2 is already existing, Oye Chair and the newscasting. So at this point, I want to bring to an end to what I have to say to you people. And please, at this point, feel free to unmute and quote Chigi. Quote Chigi and give us your feedback and your recommendations. Thank you so much.
Coach Nani ndewo.
Ndewo ma.
Ị na-agbalị ọfụma eziokwu. Because him na-ahụ na my son, before my son ebido. At least my daughter na-aghọta Igbo na-asụ na Bekee. But my son, another aghọta ikwu hala ya sị, you're confusing me, speak in English. But ugbu a, even Ogaro school, hala teachers ya na school, Ogaro ụlọ ya na-asị ndewo. Ndị ọcha na-anaghị aghọta. My job now was in interpret what he's saying. And I got the excitement. So thank you very much. Ajụjụ this onye kwuo uche ya, must the reply or must it be that Wednesday call and to the end of the week image their onye kwuo uche or Wednesday, Thursday? As how long before Hannah has submitted their reply?
Okay, so usually so they release the prompt on Wednesday. So before the next Wednesday, I expect that go along the line if you can. But typically, I would love that to be on Wednesdays. Like on Wednesdays, when you open a release, I can actually release the prompt on Monday so that Ecuador ahead of time, so that by Wednesday a release here. But before, that will be the ideal time. I got prefer that's only which I did release. Mana obu no kwero before the next one, which I would release the prompt on Monday. Imekwazaya is still okay, ma. Dalorine. Ihe nwere ike ikwu maka Muna bụ Muna is the clown of the, I call him my clown because nke ya bụ na ire ekwu n'elu ọ na-ekwu na. So Muna has been intentional in right from time. You will see that he loves it. So ịkọwala ya ọghọta and ọ ghọtara ya o jidesie ya ike. And I love the fact that even in fact, because I know that their classes fall around their swim time. But class, and you see him participating actively, and he's just been that person that Obgodu no mero or lawyer, okay, Meria for the week, and he has shown in his progress. So na-ekenekwa gị maka ọ bụ na ide encourage ya anyị adati ihe na ọmandị ihe na ọmandị na-asụ ka o sizi asụ kịta anyị na-ekwu ọ na-asụ. And the last time I met akụkụ ahụ, he blazed through. You know, I told them, give me 10 body parts. He did more than that. So if that there has been a progressive improvement. So that's oral on our and they be a class and they love it. So I see a lot of excitement whenever they come. You see, the children are just wonderful. So it's just the platform for them to be enabled. Onya would main thing. So Dalorine.
Daalụ.
Ndewo Coach Noni. Ị na-anụ ihe m na-ekwu?
Yes, sir. I na-anụ.
Okay. Achọrọ m iji ohere a wee kene gị n'ọrụ ọma niile na-alụ n'isi ụmụazị a. Afa m bụ Chinedu. Abụ m nne na nna Chikwesịrị na Chinaza. Abụ m nna ha, abụrọ m nne na nna, biko. Ka a ghara isi na m bụ nwoke bụrụ nwanyị. So obi dị m anwụrị nke ukwuu oge a nụrụ na a na-eme Igbo class short anyị na-emebụri na YouTube na-agba mbọ ka a mara na ụmụazụ ya asụba Igbo. Mụ na nne ha na-asụ Igbo n'ụlọ, but ada nwaanyị na-anụ dịka ka onye izizi wee kwue, but nwa m nwoke n'ihi na ọ bịara oge o pere ezigbo mpe enwere dị ọda anụ tie ihe ọbụla i kwuru ọ na-ene gị so n'anya. So ma kịta afọ m nọ na-enwezi mmasị ya, nwa ka dịrị enwe mmasị karịa nke nwaanyị. Ọ na-agba mbọ na struggle, so ka ị na-anagide ha otu ọbụla amakwa ndị na-anagide ha because ihe ha na-asụ sọta ha sụ ebe a dịka na-agba katapọt anyị na-anagide ha. Then ofu ihe m chọrọ ịjụ onye kwuo uche ahụ isi na ka esi eme ya, because I just na-anụ ya for the first time. Then the newscasting too ka oge ka esi eme at least ka ịkọwatụrụ anyị ka anyị nwee ike isonyebe na onye iwechifu na ha dị esonye. Then enwekwa ihe ọzọ nọrọ asị na-enwe oge mere part of the body adonshon ụmụazụ mma maka ya. So ụmụ ihe a ga-asị do mụa na-atụkwa ịmago ọrụ obodo onye ọbụla na-akpụdo iru n'ọrụ oge ọbụla ji nata nwa efe bịa n'ebe ihe a na-eme wesị ha ngwa ndị marago na ụmụazị a na-azụ n'obodo ha adịrọ ka ndị otu ahụ esi wee zụọ ya na Naịjirịa ikwute okwu asaịmentị ebe ọ dịka a na-ebepụ mmadụ isi, but anyị ga na-eme na-anụ ọgụ dị na ya ka a mara ka ụmụ anyị na-asụ Igbo, because ọ ihe nwute ka ọ ya bụ even ọtụtụ oge nye nne na nna m fon ka ha kenefa ọ na-esi ezigbo ike but these few days now ha kpọzie fon ha na-asị da ndewo so ọbụgodị nke ahụ ndị nne ha nri ọ na-atọ ha ezigbo ụtọ. So biko jisi ike n'ọrụ Chukwu gbaa gị ume, anyị dị happy. So ọ bụrụ na ị ga-enye tụnyere anyị obere azụ n'ihe a ikwugasịrị ka anyị ka esi eme onye kwuo uche ya then ka esi eme ịkụ nta akụkọ. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Daalụ rinne. Ana m ekene gị rinne maka ama m na ọ dịrị izi obodo a, mana anyị adị na-eme dịka isi kwu, anyị adị na-agba mbọ na-eme ka nke anyị ji bụrụ mmadụ ma ihe anyị ji n'aka ala ifunarị anyị. So gbasalụ onye kwuo uche ya, so it's ọ dịka like an intentional connection tool ebe anyị ga-ajụ ụmụ anyị, so na-eweta prompt. For instance, the prompt can be kedu ihe iriri taa, and nke nwa bụ parents ga-ajụ nwa gị kedu ihe iriri taa. So nwa gị ga-aga through I also usually leave a beginning sentence that they can use as a cheat code. So eririm, then you start listing different vocabulary. So that way they enter into the world of food and food vocabulary. Okay, Otago. So that would also be an opportunity for you to also let them know. And igina hapuchezie ya eriri m anụ, eriri m azụ, atara m akwa, eriri m. So that prompt will usually come on Monday in a share in a group. The prompt will come on Monday. You got the steps to take and the things to say. So ịpụtazi ejili video jide nwa gị jụọ ya Chikwesịrị, kedu ihe i riri taa? Ọ sị gị, eriri m azụ, eriri m ofe, eriri m anụ, right? So that would guide them through idinekwu so that subsequently it becomes part of them, intentionally or otherwise, or part of them. So you can offhandedly draw her on a certain day, just at home. Kedu ihe unu riri taa? Ọ sị gị, na o riri akwa, o riri anụ ọkụkọ, right? Like in this week, ihe anyị mere, kedu ihe ị na-ahụ? What are you seeing around you? So it gives them an opportunity to start talking about things. Ana m ahụ akwụkwọ, ana m ahụ nna m, ana m ahụ nne m, ana m ahụ nwanne m, ana m afụ igwe onyonyo, and all those kind of things. So it helps them to, just intentionally or unintentionally, fanamuta many Igbo words. So the first part of the sentence, which typically might be what would stunt them from starting, I put it there. Anamaho, then they start listing things. So you use that opportunity to also correct, to also guide. No, not in that instance. You can teach them, imago, wacha different things. I also put some things that they can say. Like Anamaho Oche. I write it there. Oche, chair, Igwe Onyonyo, television, akwụkwọ book, like that. So they can actually just use those prompts. At least they back them up. Then get one with Zikina add the one more, as time goes on. So with that, onya potazi only kuzi subsequently. Okay, also get what them book. Say I book because you have learned it before. Okay, so it's just a way to engage them, and they love it. Then nke diki be able nta akụkọ. So nta akụkọ is like also like a confidence building speaking platform. So I kind of get news that is happening. 3 speakers, there will be an anchor speaker. So last time we had a meeting, I taught them how to be an anchor speaker. Anybody can be an anchor speaker. So imuta ahambo so and so ina ano nta akụkọ si na Umuoma Igbo. Nke a bụ okwu na-eso akụkọ bụ ndị mụ na ha nọ. So they introduce themselves. Then nke a bụ okwu na-eso akụkọ. So I see news from Nigeria, around the world, and Umuoma Igbo. So these 3 anchors will share them. So over the week, I practice here, and then on their own, they practice it. We teach them how to, use the mirror, practice with their parents, then record themselves and do that and send. So it happens twice a month, every other week, right? So we make it like 30 minutes before the younger one starts, 8:30 EDT to 9 o'clock. That's the window period we use to rehearse with them. But they have a group. I send those things ahead, send the voice prompt so that I can listen and actually know what it sounds like. I also send the translation so that it can make sense to them as well. Then they practice it. So it's building confidence while speaking Igbo. Yeah, that's it. Dalo.
Dalo rienne.
Onye nkuzi.
Yes, sir.
No, Nikedo.
Yes,
so. Yes, so. If we go near, this is the not quite one while go you will be the manakitaze. Bellu is on a morphma on a wambo cinema. So Dalo, like Njozo is agonaz ajujumaka onye kwuchie ma newscast So even more, just so the platform or on Telegram called or another WhatsApp or Keke Madusia yesi we so near.
Okay, maybe on that WhatsApp Umuoma Igbo is a community WhatsApp, right? So you got four like in Kebelo no 10 to 15 age group. So and we're subgroups in the community. So one of the subgroups, but Ntakoko subgroup. So that's where you need to join. Funding not inside the Ntakoko. But Oye Puche is just general, it's for everybody. So I share it on the platform, general platform, for everybody to see and participate in.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, Dalo.
Yes, sir.
Dalu, Coach Noni.
Thank you, ma.
Ne Zikora na Cheluchi. Nekeneg nke ukwuu maka ọlụ niile ị na-alụ. Sorry, 1 second. Chindu, excuse me, I'm talking. Sorry, the baby is distracting me. Goodness. Okay, Chindu, just go. I'll call you once I'm done, okay? Sorry. Oh, Ancha. So thank you so much. Nke bụ eziokwu bụ na anyị emego Igbo class a, anyị emego ụdị dị iche iche. Anyị emego ndị anyị fụ na Facebook join ya, akọpịa note sendela ya respondo emiti. Anyị emego one on one. Anyị emego physical class. Anyị ajoin kwugo ma nke school Toronto Catholic District School Board na-emekwa Igbo class. But honestly, none of it comes close to this one.
Amazing.
So let me start from it. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you very much. This is a lot more than anything that we have done before.
Yeah.
Thank you. I really appreciate it. I know we started well, but the past 3 weeks has been very tight for me. So we are behind on our oral, but we have actually done it. They have not, even that week I was not here. Their dad helped them. They did it, just that we have not submitted. We will submit all of them. Okay. Oh my, just 2 days. Hannah download femen. So I will double check those 2 days and let you know so that you please send it to us again so that they can update those two. And then I'll submit everything. Izaga Juju Maka those 2 other intentional platforms which we have not engaged at all on, and I think we've just engaged only once, but I will take it more seriously moving forward. I really appreciate it. Please, can you confirm which of the weeks and the Intakoko? I even thought it was weekly. I didn't know it was twice a week. So is it first and third, or like when?
Okay, so I know I've not taken note of whether it's first and third, but we've just been doing it every other weekend.
Every other week.
So I may last weekend. Yeah, but I may this weekend. I may last weekend. So next weekend. Okay, yes, ma'am.
Okay,
yes.
All right. I'll keep that in mind. Kai will join next weekend. Oh, Dalorine. And Luchi was very excited about that into Akoko. We will take him more seriously. Ajụjụ ọzọ nwe Anajube Bumaka, the next cohort. Afọ m n'ibidogo send ba information maka early bird maka the next cohort. So ki kọwala I can't remember mgbe nke a na-akwụsị na mgbe nke ọzọ ahụ na-ebido. Number 1 question. Ajụjụ nke ịbụ anwa bụ na that next cohort or ihe a ka ha ga-emekwa ọzọ ka enwe 2 classes enwe ndị ga-continue.
Okay.
Thank you.
Can be do with Nke Izizi. This one get end in June. The new one will start in July. And that new one will have a summer camp in that July that will be free to all those that are going to be enrolled for the July. And the July will run like 6 months like this too. And second question, where is going to be a building up of what we have. So I expect to have early foundation, like some people that have registered, they're completely new. And you are just joining us. Some people here have been in the last cohorts because we started last year. So they can attest that it's a build up of what it is that we're doing. And I know as we evolve, we have seen some of these lapses. So it's like you move from one class to another class, right? So you build on what they have. And that's why I'm also doing both oral and written assessment. That will give us a grading as to where to place them. Because above all language, especially we started with bringing them into different classes, but time will come. There will be those that will go to the advanced or intermediate, that's still foundational. So the speaking will help to segregate them when the time comes. For sure, it can't be a repeat. It will be a build up of what it is. All the kind of 1, 2, 3. If on a grade 2, I am but I can add something. Just keep building on it and until that perfection comes. So that's why even the spelling bee I introduced is to help to bear roots for the Igbo alphabet. Maka A na E, those things, imago that dietrich literature with some of those letters, then the diagrams. So just to help them to understand, make sense out of the spellings, out of the alphabets as well. So for sure, it's going to be a build up. I hope that answers your question.
Definitely. Dalurine, thank you. This is fantastic. Then the last question, Bumaka, age care or 5 or 4?
5.
Okay. So this little madam is on my neck.
Okay. Like even like Camp Ukoji, because elder brothers, they have an advantage. Like because no when they tell you all advantage, ahead. So it might not necessarily be that particular. If the person can sit on the screen, participate in the class, that 5 is the background. But if 4 and those that can speak, why not? Yeah.
Biko, thank you very much. Let me show Bieva. Yeah, people, we are going to join. She can the only honor the Puno from her head. She has already started talking since because she will join. Thank you very much. So that all of us are learning together at once.
Yes, ma. Yeah. Okay. Ama m na-enwe onye ọzọ nwere okwu ka anyị wee nwee ike onye ọbụla mere ihe ọ chọrọ ime. I can see Mommy Feso is Prof Chinarem. Odima. Thank you so much, everybody. Dalo Norine, Aineken, Anameken, no, Biko Kaiji de Kaiji. Kaiji Sinche, Kayali, Idamba. Very soon, results ga hapo. Afọ ihe dị iche na oke keke si kwa oke na afọ ihe dị iche na mbe na
egbe na egbe.
Egbe na egbe. Afọ ihe dị iche na egbe na egbe. N'oge na-adịrị anya, a ga-afụ ihe dị iche na egbe na egbe. We are raising global leaders, and so it's going to be a lot of sacrifice, but let's pay the price now. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy
your nice meal of Ofe Akwu.
Coach Noni. Jee gotegasị ụmụ ihe ofe akwa ka ha sie ya biko.
So we go to online Hasimba. Coach Noni si anyị jee na store.
Online. Yes, I have kwuru. Ọrụ ha jee.
All right, no problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Coach Noni.
Yes,